The LanBlu 2-gallon electric sprayer is a highly efficient tool, removing the need for manual pumping and cutting gardening time by 75% over traditional pump sprayers. With 5 different spray modes and an extended nozzle, it allows for a range of applications from fine misting to water column spraying, and the telescopic wand helps reach longer distances or tricky spots. The sprayer's design is user-friendly, featuring an ergonomic handle, a pressure release valve for continuous spraying, and a wide opening for easy filling and cleaning. Apart from gardening, this sprayer can be used for a variety of household tasks, such as glass cleaning and pet cooling, making it a versatile tool. The sprayer is equipped with a long-lasting battery that can spray approximately 32 gallons of liquid on a single charge, providing up to 3 hours of uninterrupted use. Finally, the LanBlu electric sprayer is built with quality in mind, from its leak-free nozzle to its hose with a filter head that prevents clogging.